Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, this is very easy video, but for the most of the users, sometimes it becomes difficult. So in this video, we are going to install the Google Chrome or a new PC. Okay, let's say you have recently installed the window or purchased the new Windows. So how to install that? You should be able to see this option which says Microsoft Edge. This is the by default browser from the Microsoft. You can use that before downloading the Google Chrome. Okay, so open the Microsoft Edge. Once you open it, you can sign in with your data, or you can sign in with your without data. You, it will ask you to sign in with your account, but you need to choose the sign in without your data. Okay, after that you need to type a download Google Chrome. Okay, like this, and hit enter. Only type download for Google Chrome. Now you will see the first link from the Google, download Google Chrome. Click on this option. Okay, please wait. You can see download option. You should see. Click on this option, download Chrome. Okay, and download Chrome. Once you click on that, your Google Chrome will automatically download it. Let's wait. You can see here waiting, and here we go. We go to, let's check it on the download option. Okay, okay, we need to again double click on this option, or you can click on this option, download Google Chrome manually. Let's wait. Now Google Chrome is downloading. Here you can see. Okay, the setup.exe is downloading now. My internet is not working fine, so please wait. Once the setup file.exe is downloaded, you can directly double click on it to run, or go to your download option. Okay, and you can see the setup of Google Chrome. You need to just double click on that and accept terms and condition. It will automatically install on your Windows. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.